Welcome back to Mountain Men Axes, and today we're going to cut up some wood for the fireplace using the new style council tool Hudson Bay with the 24-inch handle. I've been using this as my fireplace axe for probably about a year and a half now, and I think yesterday was the first time that I actually had to reprofile it. And there's been several times I've come down on the concrete, so this thing is done pretty well. It works very well at what it does. It's got a very thick profile on it, so that's actually a good round. We'll keep it. We'll keep those. That's about the size we're looking for. So let's see. Let's get into some, that's a good burning piece of red oak right there. Throw that in there, that in there. This thing just feels good, the handle feels good. It's super, super sharp, but I mean, you can really grip up on it. I got a convex on there, so it's super slippery. It's not a very toothy edge, but if you had to, you could do whatever you needed to do. But piece of red oak right there. I do not see us going through that, but put it up there. I do, however, though, want to try out the abilities of the work Tuff here, Nomad Bushcrafter. Let's see if we can baton this thing through this gnarled red oak. Nasty knot. Alright, let's stop there and flip it. Oh yeah. Should have brought my baton out here. Both of those are wet, but I'm really liking the Nomad Bushcrafter thanks to Heavyset Tactical. Do my little notches, whatever else I need to do. Throw that back in there. Alright, we're going to toss this back out. That back up, throw that in there. Throw some of the more dry wood in there. It's supposed to get down to the lower temperatures. Get those roly-poly-olies off. That right there, I'll set this by the fireplace, let that dry overnight while burning something else, and then throw that on tonight, and that'll burn for a good long while. Along with that, beautiful. All right. Now, let's take a look at that edge. That is the 2-year-old Council Tool Hudson Bay, the new edition with the thicker eye, which has yet to come loose on me at all. And I've kept it by the fireplace. This thing has dried out for sure. And I'm super happy with it. So thanks guys, and see you next time.